I just wanted to fulfill some fan ideas, but your imaginations are something else. Swap heads for shorts, Kamen Rider with Gundam. I'm genuinely impressed. Until I got his message. Hello. My dad was born in the 70s, he really loves arcade games. Can you design a mini arcade keyboard? Arcade plus mini keyboard? I can't do that. Too difficult. This might be a bit tough. Please, I really want to give it to him. I can't do it well. Please. I really can't. No. This really doesn't look good. It's truly beyond my skills. I definitely am. You can never know what it's like. Your blood like a winter freeze, just like ice, and there is a cold, lonely, like the chance from you can use. And did you think the food never one will look out turn back? Uncle Uer, may I ask? Did you get the mini keyboard? Hey, wait. This looks like some celebrity. Probably because I'm just too good looking. Yeah,